So here we have the rear lights for the Volkswagen Beetle. These are a smoked finish. These are light bar LED and also have dynamic flowing indicators built in. This year range runs from around 1999 to 2006. So let's get these open, we'll have a quick look, and we will also get them illuminated just to demonstrate how they will look on your car. So, as always, packed really well for mail order. So, in this rear light kit we have some basic fitting instructions, some wiring connectors for the resistors should you need them. This is only if your vehicle puts a warning light on showing a bulb error. These resistors are there to eliminate it, so you may or may not need these. There is also some fixing brackets which fix to the rear lights during fitting. All the instructions are there, quite easy to do. So let's have a quick closer look at the rear lights. So we've got a round LED light bar which illuminates a really nice bright red. We also have dynamic indicators built in there. The red section in the centre is a reflector. These lights are fully E-marked, they are road legal, and they are also MOT compliant. So when these are fitted, they have like a bulb bayonet built on there, as you can see. This simply twists into the original bulb holders on the vehicle. It's really easy to plug in there. So here we have these rear lights now illuminated. The round ring is for the side light and the brake light. It obviously just illuminates brighter when the brake light is pressed. Moving over to the other light, I'll just quickly demonstrate how the dynamic indicators work on this. Again, the indicators are LED.